Good morning out there to all the financial advisors, wealth managers, traders, and YouTube watchers. This is Ryan from the SIACharts team coming to you on February 17th, Wednesday, with our weekly video. So this week I want to get into some dividend reports on our platform, as well as how you can scan for dividend stocks. But first, let me explain what I mean by a report. So as an SIA subscriber, you'll have access to over 500 reports on our platform that include Canadian, US, and stock sector reports, Canadian and US ETF, as well as mutual fund reports. So to give you an example of a report, when you click on Canadian stocks, the TSX 60 comes up. So this is going to be the 60 stocks of the TSX here, rated and ranked every night. The top 25% being the green favored zone, the middle 25% being the yellow neutral zone, and the bottom 50% being the red unfavored zone. We obviously have some other rules and strategies around how we use these reports. And in order to get to know those, we offer a 3-week free trial that you can take advantage of. But getting back to our dividend reports here, you come down to the specialty tab, and as you can see, we have the Dow Jones Canada Select, we have the Dividend Aristocrats, as well as a composite high dividend in Canada. We've also combined this report, the Dow Jones Canada and the composite high dividend here already for you. I'm not going to get into the US dividend reports, but I'm going to show you where they are here. They're under the specialty tab, and we have core high dividend, we have the Dividend Aristocrats, as well as the Dividend Achievers Select report. But I'm going to focus on the Canadian ones today, just because in Canada, as a Canadian investor, US dividends are taxed fully at 100% your marginal tax rate. So we're just going to focus on the Canadian side today for this video. So I'm going to click on the combined Dow Jones Canada S&P Composite High Dividend Report. And out of this universe of 124 stocks, we could see that TFI International Incorporated ranks number 1. And we can see that their trailing 12-month yield is 1.1%. So if you wanted to rank these by yield and say, okay, what's the highest green zone ranking with the highest yield, we can click here. It's going to give us the ranking by highest yield. Out of this report, we could see that Labrador Iron Ore has an 8.83% trailing 12-month yield, and it also has a rank of 11. And then Brookfield Property Partners at 16 has a 8.52%. So that's one way to look at dividends from these reports that we've already built. Another way is to come under the scanning tab here. And if we wanted to scan for Canadian equities that had a certain dividend above or below, we can click here for Canada. We're going to hit next, and we can come here to the trailing 12-month yield, and we could say greater than or equal to 5%. And we can hit run, and we're going to get our results below here. And we could filter these results. We could see that they're ranked in alphabetical order to start. So if we click here, we're going to get highest to lowest. And then if we click here, we could see that we have the 5% TD Bank Preferred Series 20, and then 5.01, and then on upwards. So we have 8 pages of results here. And then we also can run a matrix on this, which I'm not going to do because it will take a little bit too much time for this video, which would rank all of these, again, based on 25% being the top green favored zone, 25% yellow neutral zone, and the bottom 50% red unfavored zone. So we offer a 3-week free trial, as I mentioned earlier in the video. It's a hassle-free trial, no credit card down. We'd love to talk to you. We'd love to connect with you and see how we can better your practice and help your research process and be an asset to your team and really partner with you. So if that's of interest to you, our contact information is on the screen, and please get in touch with us. And until next week, take care and always strive to manage your risk in the markets effectively.